Hello and welcome to Flying Bobbins. I'm Liz and today I'm going to talk you through our next sew along, which will be the Emery knit top by Style Arc. Now, I'm wearing my Emery top today and it's featuring in this gorgeous soft Ponte Roma fabric. So if you've not sewn with Ponte Roma before, then this is a double knit fabric, making it really nice and stable and really nice and easy to sew with. It doesn't curl up like a single jersey does, so it's really nice and easy to manage. Great for a beginner, great for your first time sewing with knits. Now this pattern is fairly straightforward. You have your back and front top, you have this panel around the neckband here, and then you have a lovely sleeve with this pleated sleeve head. And this would work in really any of your knitwear fabrics, but I think it's really well suited to something with a bit more body, like a Ponte Roma or a French terry, for example. It's also really good for this kind of in-betweeny weather as we transition from winter into spring. So the Emery top will feature as the sew along for April. It will launch via this same link on April the 5th. So if you want to sew along with me, then make sure that you are subscribed to my sew along club, which is the High Five Club. You can find full details at flyingbobbins.com and I shall pop a link in the description box below. Each sew along that I do every month launches on the 5th of the month, and I feature a new pattern covering a range of different fabrics, a range of different skills, so you can build your skills, build your sewing confidence, and also build your wardrobe as well. So the Emery knit top comes in two sizes. You have your 0, 4 to 16 and your 18 to 30. So I think these come up pretty true to size. The pattern itself is fairly simplistic, as are the instructions. This is very typical of Style Arc. You don't get a massive booklet telling you what to do, but they're very straightforward patterns, and don't worry because I will be talking you through each and every step during the sew along. Now, included in this month's sew along, of course, I am going to focus on stripes. So as well as covering how to make the top, I will also talk to you about how to cut out and sew stripes so that you get a nice matching side seam and even a little bit of matching across your shoulders and your armholes as well. Now, as always, there's a choice of kits to go with the sew along every month, and if you're a High Five Club member, then you will get either 5 or 10% off of the kits depending on which tier of membership you have. And these kits will be available from my website flyingbobbins.com from the 5th of March for pre-orders, so you can place your order to make sure that you get your favourite colour, and then those kits will be posted out on the 1st of April, ready for the sew along on the 5th of April. So let's go ahead and take a look at the 4 colour choices. So first up we have the colour that I'm wearing, which is in actual fact a really dark and classic navy blue with an ecru background there. So you've got a navy blue stripe with an ecru background, so a nice classic Breton stripe colour there. In your kit you will get 1.5 metres of the fabric, and that's 150 centimetres wide, plus you will get your reel of thread in the ivory colour to match the background. You will also get some ballpoint needles, which are perfect for sewing this fabric, and a packet of these really gorgeous hemline buttons. I love the packaging at these actually as well. So these buttons are shank buttons and they've got an enamel centre. This one is navy blue with a gold rim around the edge, and this is just a little optional extra that we can use to add to our Breton tee by putting some buttons at the shoulder, so I'm going to include that in the sew along as well. So that's what you get in the kit. So you've got your navy blue and ecru stripe there. Then there's the black and ecru, so same ecru ground colour but this time with black, and you get these black and gold enamel shank buttons. There's 3 in a packet there, and your ballpoint needles. Third, we have the sky blue, a gorgeous and fresh springtime colour, and then this is like an ecru again, so you get the same thread and needles, but this time we get the ecru buttons, which go beautifully with it, ecru with gold enamel, gold surround rather, and yeah, this is just a really nice kind of sky blue colour, really nice for springtime. And then finally this beautiful soft pink, again with the ecru ground, so you get the needles, the buttons and the thread just like before, but this time with a beautiful soft pink colour. So there's your 4 colour choices: navy, black, sky blue or pink. You can go ahead now over to flyingbobbins.com to pre-order your kit so that you have it ready for the sew along next month, and I shall see you on the 5th of April where we will start sewing.